guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Hey, Agent Dawkins. I love the name, says so true, but $14, yep, is way too low. $14 is what they put in that Facebook group. And I was like, well, what possessed them to go do a job for $14? But then, you guys, I have to always think about it. And this is what I talk about in my mentorship program too. A lot of times when things are happening in these notary streets, it's because people lack knowledge. And I always tell my mentees and my notary family that, you know, you guys are investing in your knowledge to learn this business. So they're going to be way more advanced than somebody out here just trying to figure it out. That person that spent $14, that charged $14, had they been in mentorship, they would have knew right from the first job out. I'm not charging $14. I'm not charging $14. Membership pays for itself. Okay. You ever seen that commercial? I think that used to be the old American Express commercial. Membership has its advantages or its benefits or something. Membership does. In our notary mentorship, we talk about everything. We talk about the pricing. We talk about, what is this? Add a Q&A sticker. Oh, something YouTube trying to get me to do. Yeah, but in mentorship, we talk about the pricing. So what else do I think about when I'm talking about pricing? Looking at what kind of document. We already talked about that. I'm also thinking about how far do I have to drive? Am I going right around the block? Am I going 30 minutes this way, 30 minutes that way? You know, 30 minutes this way to one direction may look different than going 30 minutes to the city, right? I'm looking at all of that. When I do my pricing, guys, I don't play about the pricing. I do not play. Now, could I be a little firmer and a little bit higher than most? I could probably be a little bit higher. A lot of times I don't charge the most because I'm thinking volume. I want that client long term. I could charge them, hey, you know what? This 2 pieces of paper are going to be $150, right? For depending on what it is. But then I'm thinking long term. Could I go there, be back, and do everything I need to do in an hour and it's $75? Maybe. I have a goal and you should have one too. How much do you need to make in your business? I always ask myself that. Now, I don't just willy-nilly price my services, right? I don't willy-nilly price my services where, okay, I got to pay my light bill today, so I think I'm going to charge this. Oh, no, my gas bill is due tomorrow, so I think I'm going to charge that. Oh, no, that's not how we run up. That's not how you run a business. So when I say I think about how much I want to make, I already have a preset determined amount, what I want for each job, okay? Just depending on what it is. Again, I look at all these different variables. So every single client, I'm not charging the same thing. And you should not be charging every single client the same thing because you're either costing yourself money or you're overcharging, right? You got to ask these screening questions. You have to ask questions. I always say questions equal money. People that know me 5 years, what I've been saying, questions equal money. Say it again for the people in the back. Questions equal money because every time you ask your client a question, you're getting clarity. Every time you ask a question, you're getting clarity. And not only are you getting clarity, but it's going to change. Your client started off calling you saying, oh, it's only gonna be $2, right? Per the state of Georgia. It's $2 for a notary, right? Oh, that's what you thought. Now we're asking questions. Questions equal money. Oh, how many signers are there? Where's the signing happening? What time do you need it? Do you need printing? Do you need witnesses? Every question equals money. Questions equal money. Okay, so we got to get in the habit of talking. A lot of us don't want to talk, but we got to talk to these clients. You cannot just say, get on my calendar. No, get on my calendar for what? I love tools too, like the next person, Calendly and all that, right? I love all that. But you ain't just getting on my calendar till we have a conversation, okay? You are not. I don't want you disappointed, and I sure don't want to be disappointed. So we got to talk about some things, okay? Can you imagine somebody picking you up for a date and y'all ain't had no conversation? You just saw this person online. I'll be there to pick you up at 7. Oh, you will? Where are we going? What's the restaurant? Are we going to dinner? Are we going to a club? Are we going to the park? Where are we going? Questions. You got to ask questions, people. So yeah, I'm all about these fancy tools, and you can just book with me and I'll be there and all that. I'm all for that too. But I need to know. I need some definite answers. What's going on? Okay. Same thing in your notary business. Look, questions equal money. Questions equal money. You got to know what you're walking into. Be prepared. Okay. Nikki says, and please feel free to ask any questions you may have. Nikki M.E., well, I guess it's probably Nikki Me 314 says, I just became a notary. Where can I find the basics as far as how to sign the different documents? So it's not just about signing the documents, Nikki. It's not just about signing them. You have to, it's a skill, everything. People think I could just sign a document, I'm good to go. At the end of the day, that is what's going to happen, but you need to know the who, what, when, where, why. Are you signing it? Are you signing it correctly? So I would recommend our mentorship program. Our mentorship program covers 16 different courses. It might be 17. Loan signing agent, how to properly notarize, how to do estate/trust packages. All of that is included because you need to know a little bit about everything depending on what you want to do in the business. That would be my first question I would ask you too, Nikki. What do you want to do with the business? Okay, so to answer your question, if you don't want to join mentorship, no pressure, but I would at least start with Notarize Like a Pro. If you were going to buy one course from me to properly know how to do your notarial duties, one course, just one. Okay, we want you in mentorship because we want to teach you the business, right? The whole business. And you're saying you want to do all of that. But if you want to get started right away, Notarize Like a Pro. Notarize Like a Pro. And I'm actually using still coupon code Friday. As long as I remember, guys, and if you're watching this later, you can still use it. Coupon code is Friday. It's only valid off the single courses, right? So if you want to buy Notarize Like a Pro, I think it's like 30 something right now. So you can check that out. Notarize Like a Pro would be the one course to get you started. And then again, if you want to continue to learn all these different parts of the business that we talk about, field inspection, wedding officiant. I have a course on all of these, and it's all inclusive in the mentorship. But you got wedding officiant, teach you how to be a wedding officiant, what steps are required. Some notaries can just be one in their state. They don't have to have anything additional. Florida is one. Okay. Then we have the I-9 form. Now, only person should not be filling that out is California unless you have a special bonding. But other than that, everybody else should be learning how to complete that I-9 form. In fingerprinting, same thing. We have courses on all of this. So I really encourage you to play around with our website, notaryeducators.com. And that's going to really help you to see what's best for you. There's a $27 point entry where you can have access to your 5 core training. And then we meet weekly live. Every week we meet for years. We've not missed one session. The October schedule is up also at the website, notaryeducators.com. Tomorrow night's session is about customer service. And that is so important because a lot of us don't know how to do customer service, guys. We don't. And what you see on TV is not what happens in real life, okay? It's not. TV makes it fun to be sarcastic with your clients and all this and all that. Real life is old-fashioned customer service. So tomorrow, one of our actual mentees, Lori Wilson, is going to be taking the lead on that. So she'll be teaching tomorrow. I'll be there too, of course, but she'll be starting off our session tomorrow with customer service tips. So every week we meet, okay? Again, if you missed something, the replays are there. Matter of fact, you have access to all the old replays too. So check it out. But if you're going to just start out, Nikki, make sure you do Notarize Like a Pro if you don't do nothing else. Okay, Notarize Like a Pro. Then you can always double back, and we'd love to have you in our actual mentorship program, okay? But I really recommend getting good training. I'm telling you, you have to get good training. You have to. People will get out there and just try to wing it. Well, because my state told me I don't need no training, and your state may not require any, but these signing companies are going to require it. If you were doing my documents, I would think that you had been trained. You know what I'm saying? So it's so funny because the horror stories, I'm telling you, and what I see in these Facebook groups, I pray for people sometimes. I'm like, oh, I wish they could just find me. And I'm not getting in the right Facebook group saying, you need to come take my training. I don't do that. I never have, never will. It's very rare. I'll even comment on a post. It's very rare. And I don't have time to get in there trying to correct all these wrong things. People put pictures in their documents. What goes here? Can somebody tell me what goes here? They asking random people now who also haven't been trained properly. Can you tell me what goes on this? They take a picture of the document and say, can you tell me what goes here? Your name. Can you look at this and tell me what goes here? Oh, the state that you live in? So certain things, red flags, I'm like, you should not be out there notarizing nobody's documents. Okay. I'm sorry. You should not.